Financial advisors who use data-driven marketing strategies drive 8 times as much ROI as businesses who don't. And it remains the primary method that top-producing advisors rely on to get more prospects each and every month. Utilizing intelligent marketing and smart data is essential to maintain a steady flow of attendees at your seminars and learning events. Advisors can now reach verified prospects that are pre-qualified as the perfect client using predictive analytics and proprietary data sources. Introducing DATALeader.com, a smarter prospect management system that includes automatic booking and intelligent marketing. Tired of cold calling and door knocking? This fully customizable solution allows advisors to get more clients fast using a completely automated system. DATALeader uses multiple data sources and confirmed income-producing asset scores to deliver a proven marketing message to the right prospects at the right time. For less than the cost of a greeting card, we will mail unforgettable, high-converting invitations to your perfect prospect, completely done for you. An award-winning call center and reservation concierge is linked with your intelligent marketing dashboard, providing full tracking from meal to deal. It's time to get the word out, get more attendees at your events, and close new clients with DATALeader.com. Call 800-340-4794 today for your complimentary marketing audit, or visit www.dataleader.com/win.